What is going on, YouTube? So it's been a couple months since the last video. I decided to make a new episode to give a little update on what has been going on in the garage. We got a few cool things going on. We got the other Supra in. We got the engine back for the S14 for the 240. We got the engine in the Supra. So I just wanted to walk you guys around and show you a few things, what's been going on over here. Hope you enjoy. So, we got a couple updates. We got the motor in the Supra. We dropped that in a couple weeks ago with the CD09. We're gonna get this car. We gotta finish building this one up so we can send it out to get wired. And this one's almost done. Small fab work needed still. We need to do the wastegate dumps. And I believe that's it. And fuel lines. Nothing much left on this. It's Blue. What's up, Blue? He likes cars too. His Supra is his favorite. We got the 98 Emerald Jade Supra. We just painted this car. It's a factory twin turbo car. Still stock. It's got a V160 6-speed. I changed the coilovers. They were TNs, they're badass TNs, but they were like 10 years old. So we put some HKS in there, the street versions. Let's see if it says it here. Yeah. Let's see. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah. GT Hypermax. These are good for the street. They're not too stiff. We got the Brembo kit. This is an ISF rotor, 2015, I believe. And then these calipers, humongous calipers. These things are freaking massive. Are off an SRT8 Jeep, and that's front and rear. This car is not gonna get too crazy. We're just gonna make it clean, put it all back together. I got the wheels here for it, the ISS forged. So I'm just trying to get this car running nicely. And we don't want to go too crazy on that one. The RX7 is up on the lift. I've been turning it on and warming it up every few weeks. She's doing good, motor's healthy. I need to do a few things on the body. It's got like scratches from parking and stuff from when I used to use it. I haven't drove that car in a while. It needs a little bit of love, but it's good, making power. The S14. This has been my longest project. I've had this car for, I'd say, about 12, 13 years, something like that. It's a crazy car. It's probably my most modified car out of all of them. It's got 335 tires in the back. It's got a crazy sheet metal wide body, as you can see. It's all solid sheet metal, no junk. It's still factory bumper, but we had to chop it up to make it look right and follow the lines of the quarter panel. It's got the factory Navon valences and skirts that we had to modify a little bit as well. Stretch them out to make them fit. As you can see, the fitment is just absolutely killer. It tucks the 335 tire in, no problem. This car is a 2.2 VVL motor from Mazworks, and we just got that rebuilt. I had an issue with a rod bearing. That motor's over here. So we just got that put together. So that's ready to go back in. This is the turbo for that car. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and like have all the ceramic coating done again in black and have a few different things done to it. So this car, we also, for the Supra, we got the 8.8 with the axles put together already. So here are the axles. I'm not sure if you guys saw it in the last video, but here are the axles. They're freaking huge. Super beef. Look at my fat thumb. These things are mega. Mega axles. And then we got the 8.8, the aluminum case. Should hold up for what we need on the car. It's just gonna stay on street tires. Just trying to make a big pull on the dyno and try to enjoy the car on the street. Keep it valuable. This car is just absolutely wicked. As clean as can be. I've done every bolt, every nut. I'm trying to do this car little by little. We've been building this one for like 5-6 years now. This one has the same brake kit as the other one. Fits nicely on the 19s. These are work Zeist. I ordered these. They took about like 6 to 7 months to arrive from Japan. Had these wheels for a few years already. It's matte bronze face with a high gloss anodized lip with 24 karat gold screws and the black valve stem and lug hardware. It's factory Toyota JD Emerald. The front brakes all set up. This car is just absolutely wicked. Absolutely, I could look at this thing all day long. This thing is just awesome. I'm trying to keep the cars all, you know, so we can drive them on the street. I don't want to go too crazy on them. We got a 240. That's gonna be pretty nuts. And we're gonna use it for the track. I just got the radiator for this guy in too. I think I got the whole PHR catalog in this bitch. I did everything black too. This is the new spa fan kit. It's like a high power fan kit with the PHR radiator. It already comes with the dash 16 fittings already welded on, so it makes my life easier. And then the same, let me grab my light. Let's grab the light here. Oh, my light's not there. Okay, let's grab this other light. Box is locked. Motherfucker. Well, I couldn't find my light. I left it attached on the other Supra. Yeah. No stop on light. So, we got the PHR kit comes with already the thermostat housing with the AN fitting already welded on with the dash 16 lines. Very nifty. Freaking awesome. And then it's got the billet. It's got the billet neck on the other side. But we gotta get rid of this soft line, this hard line for the VVL solenoid, and we gotta replace it with the new PHR kits. Comes with a soft line, so we can wrap around, because as you can see it isn't clear there. Here, let me zoom this in a little bit so you guys can see better. Oh yes, there you go. So as you can see there, that's where the water neck is. It's a GE motor, so it's not gonna have the crisscross water line. It's just gonna be straightforward. All new bolts. Every bolt is brand new. We got the AC compressor from Toyota, power steering pump from Toyota, everything from Toyota, everything brand new. So this thing should be museum ready. Fuck yes. My next task is to just get the green car down. Let me open up the camera. So this is almost done. Just gotta put the pads in it. Put the pads, bleed the brakes, put the wheels on it. And then I gotta put the interior together. Gotta put the seats in it. We got the seats over here. Gotta get those cleaned up. They're like new. Seats are in great condition. I redid these a few years back. I put the trunk panels back together. You can see the HKS coilovers here. We did the same coilovers on both cars. I like to do things double. So that's what we got. That's what we got. Stay tuned. There's much more to come. Once we get the green car out of the chopping block, we're gonna bring the gray car over, get that one ready for wiring. Once the gray car is out getting wired, we're gonna put the white car on the chopping block and we can drop the motor in, get it back on the dyno, and try to make our 900 1000 that we've been planning to make. So stay tuned. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we should have some more sick ass shit coming along. Thank you. Blue, say bye to YouTube. I hope you guys liked the video. Feedback for us is very important. So if there's anything else that you guys want to see, or anything that you think we should change or move around, any future projects that you want to recommend to us, just let us know. Shoot us a message and give us some feedback. Thank you.